All right, so now let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum collapses 24% in weekend route. 24%. But Ethereum is going to keep crashing just like Bitcoin is going to keep crashing. Just like I told you guys in the other video with Bitcoin, this is all it's all in the charts. We saw this coming as well. So this is all in the charts. So, you know, after this harmonic was completed up here, then we had this harmonic right here. This harmonic was completed. And let me see. And we have a major harmonic starting from down here that's dictating this entire move, right? So now this is going to keep tanking. Like I keep telling you, like I told you about Bitcoin. This Ethereum is going to be easy for you to get some easy like money. Like once it tanks and it start going back up, you can easily grab probably like 10 ethers. But right now, you know what I'm saying, what you want to do is just wait for it to do its move. If you're not trading Forex, I would suggest you do, so you can take advantage of the crash. There's always ways to take advantage of the crash. So like I was saying with Bitcoin, there was no way that this was going to go back up. Everyone was saying, oh, maybe it's going to hit the low and go back up. How is it going to do that when this specifically all these market structure breaks and liquidity being grabbed? Understand that the institutions, their hands are in the market. So before you guys start to think, oh, this is decentralized, it is not. There's big hands, there's wells, there's institutions, their hands are in the market. So they will manipulate the market in order to get to what they need. You know what I'm saying? So everything is by design. You know what I'm saying? Like everything is by design. And so that's why you can really pretty much predict this stuff before it happened. If you go back to my previous videos, you'll see how I predicted these moves before they happen. And it's not really a prediction. It's more so it's math. It's calculating based on what I know and based on how I understand the market moves. And based on the higher time frame, lower time frame, everything is pretty much the same, and you could take advantage of the entire move, whether it's go up or down. So right now, if you're looking, if you have Ether, it's going to keep tanking. The value of your Ether is gonna drop. That's just the reality of the situation. If you don't have Ether, wait for it to tank enough. Based on what it's doing, you know, if you understand harmonics, you'll be able to draw this harmonic to see where the zone is at. If you don't understand harmonic, the course is available in the description, but I advise everyone to learn something in regards to reading charts and understanding what's going on the charts. So instead of just listening to these social media gurus, understand what's going on the charts. So when it's tanking like this, there's a reason why. This was predicted like since up here. You know what I'm saying? Since December, we was predicting this in our group. So there's you know what I'm saying, there's that, because you know people don't really listen. But I'm just here to give advice based on what I know.
I'm not sure I understand.
This Siri. But I know you don't understand, Siri. Hold on, let me see something. Yeah, based on what I know, and I'm gonna post some more from our actual group so you can understand what I mean. But in the description box, the actual course with everything I know, my confluences that I use in order for me to pinpoint things with Bitcoin, Forex, and indices, that's available in the description box below. And also the Harmonics course is also available in the description box. So I advise everyone to learn something in regards to how the market moves. Because unless you do, you will get burned. So y'all be safe out there. And just like I said with Bitcoin, just wait. If you don't have any Ethereum, wait. and you'll have the perfect opportunity to stack up on it. But that's about it. Big Fish FX. If you need the course, it's in the description box. If you need a one-on-one, set up a one-on-one, video call. That option is in the description box as well. Based on whatever topic that you need to discuss on Forex, and we can chop it up. Y'all have a good day and be safe out there.